Hi friends! I'm here to make this video to talk to you all about the letter I. Alright, so here's my I. I have my uppercase and lowercase I. So here's my big I, that's our uppercase I. Here's my lowercase I. Alright, the first thing we're going to learn how to write them. Okay, so again, uppercase I, lowercase I. We're going to start with uppercase I. Watch me as I trace it with my finger, then you're going to trace it in the air like I am. Alright, so the first thing you want to do when you're making an uppercase I is go down, and then you would pick your pencil or your finger up and slide across the top line, slide across the bottom line. Alright, so start tall, slide down, cross top, cross bottom. Alright, let's do that together. Alright, you can skywrite it with me. Alright, down, cross top, cross bottom. Again, down, cross top, cross bottom. One more time, down, cross top, cross bottom. Alright, so that is skywriting our uppercase I. Now we're going to go over to our lowercase I. This one's a little bit simpler. For this one, you would start on the middle line. So you're going to start on the middle line. Same thing, go down, stop, pick up your finger or pencil, and put a cute little dot. Dot! Alright, middle line down, dot. Again, get ready. Middle line down, dot. Again, get ready. Middle line down, dot. And one more time, middle line down, dot. Alright, so there's your I. Now we're going to do it on a piece of paper. Okay, so I have my marker out. Now I need to write it on a piece of paper. We just wrote it, but now we need to be able to form the letter on paper. So the first thing you're going to do, just like we did when we were skywriting, is go down from the top line. So we're going to go down, pick up my marker, cross top, cross bottom. Good? Let's do it again. Down, cross top, cross bottom. Alright, so there we have our two uppercase I's. Now I want to make two lowercase I's. So for this one, like he said, we're going to start at the middle line. And we're going to go down, stop, give it a dot. Again, down, give it a dot. And there we have it, our two I's, uppercase, lowercase. After we're done with the video, I would encourage you to write it on a separate sheet of paper, practicing your upper and lowercase I's. But now we're going to move on to the letter I and what sound it makes, okay? So, I have my I here. Hi, I. And I have my I here. Alright, we're going to start with this I. Alright, so I'm going to start at the start here, and when I slide across, I'm going to say its sound. Watch me. I. Let's do that together. Get ready. I. Again, get ready. I. One more time, get ready. I. And by yourself, get ready. Alright, so we heard I. That's the sound that letter I says. I. Let's read a picture or a story about the letter I. Uppercase I, lowercase I. This story is about an iguana. Izzy, the iguana, inspects insects in a tree. Inch by inch. You heard the I sound. Now let's go through some pictures that also have the I sound. The first one I have is a picture of What is that? An igloo. Igloo. Let's do that together. Get ready. Igloo. Again, get ready. Igloo. One more time. Get ready. Igloo. Go ahead and try that by yourself. Get ready. Nice job. So we have a picture of an igloo for the letter I. Another picture that we have for the letter I is, this is a party invitation. Have you ever been invited to a birthday party and you've gotten an invitation in the mail? Invitation starts with the I sound. You can see the letter I there. Listen to me. Invitation. Let's try that together. Invitation. Again, get ready. Invitation. One more time, get ready. Invitation. By yourself, get ready. Nice job. So we have igloo, invitation, and we have, just like in our story, an iguana. That's a cute little lizard there. An iguana. Let's try that together. Get ready. Iguana. Again. Iguana. One more time. Iguana. By yourself. Nice job. So now we have 3 pictures. Igloo, invitation, iguana. All right. This picture's a little different. Because I is a vowel, it has 2 sounds. It says but it also says its name sometimes. I. All right. This is a picture of a yummy treat. Ice cream. Listen. Ice cream. Okay. Let's listen again. I scream. You hear that letter name, I? Listen again. Ice cream. Let's do that together. Ice cream. Again. Ice cream. One more time. Ice cream. By yourself. So we got ice cream for the letter I in there. All right. Well, so we have 4 pictures now. We have the short I sound, igloo, invitation, and iguana. For the long I sound, we have ice cream. So, in this video, we learned all about the letter I by learning how to write it in the sky. We learned how to write it on paper. We listened to a story about it. And we learned about some beginning sounds that the letter I has for igloo, invitation, iguana, and ice cream. So now you're going to go and you're going to try to write your letter I and do some of the practice activities. So I hope this video is helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.